Inserting rows/columns. To insert a row in a worksheet, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the row heading where you want to insert a new row. Step 2. Click on Insert command under the Cells group on the Home tab. Step 3. Select the Insert Sheet Rows option from the drop-down list. A new row is inserted above the selected row, and the existing rows shift downwards. To insert a column in a worksheet, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the column heading where you want to insert a new column.
Click on Insert command in the Cells group under the Home tab.
Step 3. Click on Insert Sheet Columns. A new column is inserted to the left of the selected cells, and the existing columns shift rightwards.